Welcome to Cable Magic, and the next product we're looking at is a very simple USB 3 cable. So it's a USB A male, your standard USB cable. We'll just get that to focus there, and USB 3 there. The USB 3 has a very oval, rounded edges, a very oval type connection. You can see it there. It looks a lot different than a typical mini USB. I'll just grab one to compare. So here's your old USB connection, the USB 2 or micro, and then you've got the USB 3 connection there. So these are available from Cable Magic. They're used on the new Samsung S9 phones, a lot of new cameras, and a lot of the new phones, just as a charging cable. Buy these nice and cheap from Cable Magic at cablemagic.com.au.